I don't know if I would be here if I didn't do CSALT.
None of us really knew what we were signing up for. It's hard to put into words like how much shifted and changed as a result of CSALT.
It was such a greenhouse environment where I was in shock of how much God worked in such a short period of time.
I actually stepped into CSALT very broken. In the first month, I was like, yeah, there's no way. Like, I didn't have enough money to actually be there.
There were like some nerves around going to the other side of the world, not really knowing anybody there, and just finding like instant family. It's all just a part of the experience, and
All be able to do that together in totally drastic different ways.
a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where I could live in such a beautiful place, surrounded by 30 different 18 to 25-year-olds who just love Jesus.
Remembering like who God is, who He has been, and who He will always be.
Through that, learn more about practical tools and hearing, different pastors and different people throughout CS or ministry groups that would come and just equip us.
And rebuilding that identity through just the safety that the program provided. If you're eager for adventure and you're eager to grow and be pushed to your breaking point, like this is the place to just send it to. Have the gift of like strong community around you that will transform your life, whether you like it or not. Just send it and like don't look back.